Welcome to an introduction to ratios. A ratio is a comparison of two quantities. Ratios can compare part to whole, or whole to part. And there are three common ways to write ratios. All of these mean the ratio of A to B. A, the word to B, A colon B, as well as using a fraction bar where we have A over B. Ratios can also be simplified like fractions. Let's take a look at some examples. Using the diagram of triangles and squares, let's begin by determining the ratio of triangles to squares. Let's begin by counting the number of triangles. We can see we have 4 triangles, and now we count the number of squares, and there are 6 squares. The order of the ratio is extremely important. We're comparing the quantity of triangles to the quantity of squares, and therefore the ratio of triangles to squares is 4 to 6, which again can be written in any of these three ways. However, this ratio can be simplified. Looking at the ratio in fraction form, we simplify ratios just like fractions. Notice 4 and 6 share a common factor of 2. We can simplify the ratio by dividing both 4 and 6 by 2, which gives us a ratio of 2 to 3, which again can be written in any of these three ways. And now let's find the ratio of squares to triangles. We already know there are 6 squares and 4 triangles, and therefore the ratio of squares to triangles is 6 to 4. Once again, simplifying, using the fraction form of the ratio, we divide 6 and 4 by 2, giving us a simplified ratio of 3 to 2. And finally, let's find the ratio of squares to total. We know there are 6 squares, and there are a total of 10 shapes, and therefore the ratio of squares to total is 6 to 10. To simplify, we divide both 6 and 10 by 2, giving us a simplified ratio of 3 to 5. I hope you found this helpful.